All right, it's a new week, it's a new day. So the weekly, we're still maintaining this bearish flow. The daily, we're still maintaining this bearish flow. As you can see, lower highs maintained, lower highs maintained. And now on the 4-hour, we're also bearish as well, right? Last, lower highs maintained, lower highs maintained. Price came up to here recently this London session, but actually, it's not even London session yet. Technically, is it? Isn't it like in an hour? But we got volatility now, which is cool. So the reason I chose this specific spot as an area of liquidity is you go to the daily, and you can't really see that level, right? Because the daily is you see the structure clearly. The lower lows and lower highs, whatever is being maintained. You go to the 12-hour, and you see that this level has actually acted as support on the 12-hour. Now, once I see that, I can go down to lower time frames and kind of begin to find clarity within that supply level and see how it could relate to us now. So ultimately, it's this level. We acted as support here, we acted as resistance here. When price came up into this area, I assumed that price would continue back bearish, especially. Actually, I didn't wait for any of these supports to break. Oh, I remember what I saw was the 1-hour candle. The 1-hour candle, and then honestly, the 2-hour candle bearish close is what really gave me the confidence to just, say, okay, cool. I'm pretty confident going into this trade. And my take profits are going to be, this is my first take profit. And yeah, unless I'm at the chart and I can manually take a percentage of the profits, I'm gonna take 100% of my profits here. But if not, if everything's going good and I haven't gotten out on all my positions here, then I'll exit here too. But either way, it's a nice 1 to 3. Pretty cute, not asking for too much. For gold, she's just going bearish, so until we get a proper retracement, I won't be touching that. And then for NAS, we're still in this bearish move. So later today during New York session, 8:30 and 9:30, what you're gonna want to be looking for is some type of, oh yeah. And it might not happen today. If it doesn't happen today, it'll probably happen tomorrow. So here's one level that we can use to continue bearish. Something like that. Next option is honestly here. So what I think could be a possibility, I was gonna say, 4 hours probably gonna break resistance to come back bullish, but there's no resistance. Price hasn't been making resistances as it's been going down. So honestly, it could do one swoop like this fast as fuck, and if it wanted to. So I think here or here, but either way, if I'm gonna get into NAS, I don't want to get into it when it's not at a an area of rejection, an area that has been rejected several times over and over again. So daily, yeah, we got these two levels. I think that's pretty good. My random line. Yeah. Yeah. So that's my plan for today. And there's no news, but there's news for Tuesday. So yeah, we'll see how this works.